In the rapidly changing world of online everything, personal security is more critical than ever. Protecting your identity, your personal information is vital. So today's traditional method of sending passwords and sharing important confidential information, or syncing your corporate Active Directory across multiple services and applications is fundamentally flawed. With the average number of passwords per user now projected to exceed 20, it is no wonder people reuse the same or very similar passwords across multiple applications, devices, and services. This is further compounded as we tend to store all our security information either on our devices for ease of reuse, in the device memory, a password application, or even in our browser's memory. Today, hackers have many options open to them to break in and steal your identity, and they do have the upper hand. Identity security breaches can ruin both lives and even businesses. Many security solutions being deployed today also have major limitations. They require central storage of all your information, including user identities and passwords together. This information is then shared with unsecured or external services, passing all this information across the internet. This sync and share method is inherently unsafe, as all this information is sent as clear text between the various domains. The other common approach is based on federating your Active Directory with somebody else. This again is not to be recommended, as whilst it does employ a basic token and certificate methodology, it's also still open to any man-in-the-middle attacks. If a hacker wants to intercept your communications channel, they are able to copy the security token in its entirety. The information is again transported in a clear text format, making the interceptions relatively easy. But you have to allow users to access approved applications somehow. This is where Secure Cloudlink or SCL comes in, the future of digital identity management. Secure Cloudlink has been designed to address the challenges of enabling access to applications and platforms in a truly secure manner, regardless of the device or the location, without allowing your critical information to be passed to anyone, ever. Utilizing a vast range of digital security components as well as patent-pending security technology, SCL combines leading-edge security solutions with the latest advances in biometrics, digital fingerprints, passcodes, and visual recognition. With a pedigree built on security-first approach, the team devised a unique methodology of segmenting all the user information from the application. Today, Secure Cloudlink enables multiple forms of multi-factor authentication, in addition to full integration with all leading traditional authentication services. So how does it work? When a user requires access to an application or third-party platform, they are initially denied access and redirected to SCL. SCL at this time will take a digital snapshot or fingerprint of the user. The digital fingerprint will be sent to the Active Directory to confirm that this is a genuine request from a user. Once the Active Directory has confirmed the user is genuine, SCL will then send an authentication token back to the Active Directory. The Active Directory will forward this authentication token to the user whilst informing SCL to expect the request. The user will now send the authentication token to SCL. At this stage, SCL will create another digital fingerprint that matches both authentication tokens and digital fingerprints to ensure the same browser session and user from the original request. At this point, Secure Cloudlink will run its unique risk management engine to check if the request requires any additional level of authentication. Once all of these tasks have been completed, SCL will now send a secure request to the third-party authentication provider. In this example, the authentication is via voice biometric. Only when all the elements of the security have been matched and there is a guarantee that nothing has been tampered with or intercepted, the connection can be made. This is the unique approach of SCL. So, in summary, Secure Cloudlink provides simple integration with existing environments. Simple migration between authentication strategies. Workflow-based rules engine for risk management. Suspicious event monitoring and alerting. Risk-based assessment. Step-up and staggered authentication. supports third-party two-factor authentication. Accessible via highly secure APIs. Integration changes require no application amendments. So in the rapidly changing online world of everything, where personal security is more critical than ever, consider SCL, securing your digital identity.